Hey guys, I am here with a brand new subscription box. A lot of you guys probably don't know, but I love classic books. And I found this company on Instagram, and they are Literacy Treasures Company. And what's so cool is they're based in Georgia, and that's where I live. So they send a different box every single month, and this month actually was a classic. So I am really excited to see what is in here. And I do have to say that I really love the warning on here because, of course, it's going to be about how much someone is addicted to reading like me. So that is really cool. So this box is ruby red, and I'm going to have to say this is kind of funny, but when I first saw that this box was called Ruby Red, I truly thought that that was actually the name of the book, and I was trying to figure out in my mind, well, what classic is Ruby Red? But it wasn't until I actually opened the box did I realize that it is Wizard of Oz. So that's pretty cool. There's no place like home. So that's why it's called Ruby Red. And in honor, I did my nails. And they are ruby red to go with this. So this is the first thing that's in the box. This cute little card. And then we have this that tells you exactly all the spoilers that are in here. And then this beautiful frameable map of Oz, which is so cute. Like, here's the Munchkin land, and it's just adorable. So this is perfect for anyone that loves Oz. So, oh, and I do have to say that in this box, they have get like a little scratch off, and if you get 3 dogs in a row, you win a free box. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I did open this box already just to see. I didn't actually go down into it, but I did have to scratch this just because I wanted to see if I won. So I didn't win, so bummer, but I did have to scratch that. So this box is super packed well. Really packed well. So let's see what's in here. We've got Dorothy's little basket, which is so cute. I don't know what's in here. I think this might be like a candy or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is, but it's really cute. Maybe the little thing will tell us what's in here. Dorothy's basket. Okay, so I think it's just literally a basket with a little thingy in it. So that is adorable right there. So we've got a scarecrow. Perfect for fall. That's going on my front porch. That's really cute. We represent the Lollipop Guild. That is adorable. I love that. The giant lollipop. Oh, the heart. That's precious. This is really cute, you guys. A keychain. Oh, it's a keychain. Look, it's Little Wizard of Oz, like the old-fashioned book. That's cute, guys. This is really a cute box. Oh, look at the seal. Oh, I love wax seals. Opening a wax seal with one hand, though, is probably not a good idea. So let's see what's in this. Oh, it's all little pins. How cute. Let's see. Oh, we got the pens of all of them. The scarecrow. Toto. Oh my gosh, this is too cute, guys. The lion. And Tin Man. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. There's no place like home. That's beautiful. That's adorable. I love that a lot. Wizards Brew Coffee. Oh my gosh, you get coffee. How cute is this box, guys? And it's just packed full. And look at this. Oh, it's a little zippered bag. And you can tell that that's the silhouette of the Judy Garland movie. And then the best is saved for last. A beautiful copy of The Wizard of Oz. Look at that beautiful copy. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, what a beautiful box. What a beautiful box, you guys. I am so impressed with this entire box. I think that was it, right? I am so impressed with this entire box. If you guys want to check them out, check them out. They are Literacy Treasures Company. Please check them out. They are amazing. This is the first one that I have gotten. So, let me see. You can check them out at literacytreasuresco@gmail.com. You can definitely email them. They're so cool, you guys. And right here, check them out on Instagram. That's actually a part of where I found them. Literacy Treasures Co. They have Facebook, Literacy Treasures, and then Twitter, Literacy Treasures. So please check them out, you guys. They are awesome. And I am so grateful to have gotten this box. I can't wait to see what their other boxes are going to be for Classics, because this was really, really great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys check them out, because they are definitely amazing.